Hello guys, welcome to the fourth video. This is the fourth day that I'm recording this very short video in YouTube channel. So let us begin today's video with how many types of astrology do you know exist in the world? Of course, we have talked about it briefly in our last video. So there are actually 7 different types of astrology in the world, and there are hundreds or more than hundreds of different methods that can be used within these 7 types of astrology. To make it short, again, like we have famous Indian Vedic astrology, we have Western astrology from Greece and Europe. Chinese astrology, they are mainly the animal astrology. Mayan calendar astrology, they're mostly used in South America, Latin America. Tibetan astrology, Persian Arabic astrology, and even Egyptian star systems. So different cultures, different skies, different methods, but all answer the same question. That is how cosmos affects human life. So next time someone says I am Scorpio, ask them, which astrology are you talking about? So follow cosmic clarity to understand real astrology beyond just zodiac signs. Stay tuned.